everyone. Welcome to the Wonderful Japan channel. For many travelers, there's nothing more intimidating than figuring out public transport in a foreign country. Especially in Japan, where trains and buses are everywhere, and you'll likely be relying on them to get to where you want to go. It's pretty common to see travelers standing around ticket machines looking very lost. That's why today, we're going to introduce you to Japan's magical travel card, Suica. With a Suica card in hand, traveling and even shopping becomes a breeze. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from how to buy one and use it. So stay tuned. Suica cards are rechargeable prepaid travel cards that can be used for public transport and shopping. With a card in hand, you simply need to tap the ticket gate to enter and leave. And you can use them all over Japan. Similar cards have been popping up in other countries all over the globe as well, like in the UK, France, South Korea, Hong Kong, Singapore, and more. Even in Japan, Suica is not alone, with a variety of regional IC cards available. Kitaca, Suica, TOICA, ICOCA, SUGOCA, and all of these cards can be used at any ticket gates that accept IC cards. Just having any one of these cards will make your trip much easier. There are 3 ways to get one. All major stations have ticket vending machines that sell IC cards. Just follow the on-screen instructions, top it up with cash, and you're good to go. And don't worry, they generally offer multi-language support, including English. But if there are any problems with the machine, or you would prefer to talk to a person, you can just head on over to the ticket office. Not only can you buy a Suica card, but you can also get any other tickets you need, as well as directions to where you want to go, or around the station if you're lost. If you're ever unsure about anything while traveling, you can be sure that Midori no Madoguchi ticket office will have the answers. The Welcome to Suica mobile app is a handy app for tourists. Though it is only available for iPhones, if you have one, you can download it even before you arrive in Japan. After downloading the app, you just set up your account, register your payment method, and you can use it as soon as you land in the country. It works just like a Suica card, but you can only use it for 180 days from the date of purchase. Then there is the added bonus of being able to book Shinkansen tickets and limited express trains through the app as well. For non-iPhone users landing in Tokyo, you can purchase a special card that is only sold at Haneda and Narita airports. The Suica card is super easy to use. All you need to do is put money on it first, at a ticket machine, station, or convenience store ATM, and once it's charged, just tap it to pay. It's that simple. No more stressing and wasting time over finding where to buy tickets. Just walk up to the ticket gate, tap your card, and enter. The same goes for buses. Exactly like before, just tap and go. You can also use Suica for shopping. anywhere you see this IC mark. At convenience stores, station kiosks, vending machines, and even fast food restaurants. It's actually a super useful card that you can use all around the place. It's a truly magical card that not only takes the stress from traveling, but also doubles as a handy all-in-one travel wallet. So go ahead and use it anywhere you see this IC mark. So what do you think? Will you be getting a Suica card when you're in Japan? With this card, you'll be able to enjoy your time in Japan to the fullest. No more stressing about public transport, and quick and easy payments when you're out shopping and having fun. Our How to Nippon series aims to provide useful information to foreigners traveling Japan. If you found this video useful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.